Thank you.
What's this?
Ketchup.
Ketchup?
Yeah.
Okay, let's buy this.
Thank you.
Now,
Oh, could I have my credit card? I left it over there. I need to pay with my credit card. Thank you. I'm going to pay with that. Okay. What's my total? How much do I owe you?
maybe $5.
Okay. Ooh, $5 for all that? Okay, here's my credit card. Oh, you're giving me money?
No, I'm giving you $.
I like this grocery store. Can I pay with my credit card?
Yeah,
Here you go.
thanks.
Right there?
Are you?
Yep. All right. Thank you. Did it go through?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir. I'll see you later. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Look at all that for $5.